Welcome to this channel. In this video, I will take you through how to create a Facebook page for your business. So first of all, when you log into your Facebook account, you will see on whether it's on a computer or you are doing it on your mobile phone. The procedure is almost the same. You will see this dot or the menu, these square dots or the menu, or you can come and click on your profile picture at the top. Sometimes when you scroll down, you will see pages showing. If you don't see the pages symbol showing, click on the menu. You see the pages symbol showing there. If you don't also see it there, if it's on a computer, you come to the left hand side, you see the pages symbol showing. So you click on the pages symbol, it takes you here. Then you click on what? Create a profile or page. Then you come to the second one and select page, and then click on next. Click on get started. Then you put the name of your page. So I'm putting the name of the page here. So you choose the name you want to use for your page. So you indicate a category. You come here if you have the bio or caption. So for example, I want to just use the earlier page I created here. So I've made it your trusted partner in BP, prostate, and UTI health solutions. From there, you can click on what? Create page. Okay. So the page was created. You can click on, so now you can put your phone number, website, email address, and all of that. So now you make sure that you fill everything. I'll put the website, the phone number, the address, the street address, the town or city, the hours of work. After that, you click on what? Next. Then if you have a profile picture, you can just put it here. And normally you can use your logo. If you don't have a logo and your flyer is available, you can use that. So I'm using the flyer. Then you click on next. After you put that, if you have a cover photo, the cover photo should be in the form of a rectangle, just like you see this space. Then if you add it, then if you want to add that one, you can go back to the previous step. But for now, I'm not adding that one. I will want to connect to WhatsApp. So you put a code and then click on confirm. Okay, so it has connected. I'll click on next. Now you can invite your friends. So I'm inviting all the friends of this Facebook account. Very soon they will come and follow and we'll get some few following. Now you can leave. Now if you want to, from here, if you want to set up an ad campaign for your Facebook, I will leave a video in the comment section that you can follow to set up an ad campaign. If you also want to contact me to help you, because we run Facebook, Instagram, and Google Ads, and we run effective ad campaigns that can help you get good results. We also do web development. We do SEO optimization. If you want us to optimize your website so that you can get organic views, we will do that. We also run Google Ads. So all of that in one package. You can follow the WhatsApp or Telegram link, or you can leave your comments in the comment section if you have any issue. Thank you once again and see you in the next video. Remember to subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Bye.